Hey guys, Beautiful Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be working on my toilet area. And when I'll be making this video, I'm going to be tackling two separate DIY requests. I got boxes from the Dollar Tree. I'll also be using wooden photo box lids that I got from another project. And I'll be attaching all three lids together with wood glue and screws. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now that I'm done with that, I'll be attaching the cardboard boxes to the lids. I placed it over the toilet just to see if it was going to fit, and now that I know it's okay, I'm going to be using foam boards inside. The outside will be covered with marble contact paper. The top is going to be painted white. For the remaining boxes that will be at the bottom, they'll need to go on something strong. So this wood is going to be covered with marble contact paper, and I'm going to be attaching this to the upper side. What I just made now has been attached to the wall, and then the wood that was covered with marble contact paper is going to be attached to the wood that's at the top. The second DIY that I'll be working on is another request, and someone asked for another way to use Walmart mirrors. So these are crates that I got from Michael's craft store and a photo box lid that I've always had at home. I'm going to be using all these crates and the photo box, paint them white, and attach them to a Walmart mirror. So I'll be attaching all these to the mirror on the frame, on the frame, on the frame, to make sure that it's not close to where the mirror is, because you don't want to break or crack the mirror. I'll be using hooks to mount it on the wall. And these hooks are going to be attached to the frame. To store more toilet paper, I'm going to be needing more boxes. So I'm going to be using more boxes and covering them up with marble contact paper, and these will be at the bottom. To cover up some of the rough sides and to keep it decorative, I got this frame from Hobby Lobby and I cut it into two. And this is how I'm going to switch it, because it's going to be covering two opposite sides, and I painted it white. This is just the first coat, so I'm going to go around again with the second coat. When it was dry, I attached the frames to the wood with screws. For the other side here, I cut it just a bit to give some allowance for flashing. And then I covered up the rough edges with silver trim. At the bottom, I'm going to be attaching the frames to the boxes with zip ties. Notice that I am attaching the frames to the boxes that's at the top because I am sure to keep those. The ones at the bottom, I'm not too sure about them, only because I didn't keep anything protective at the bottom, and once in a while you can have water, so I'm gonna have to brainstorm and see what I can do about that. I may have to buy another frame and extend this downwards. Unlike the other side, this side here has space, and I kept that so that I can put little books there, so that once in a while, when you're doing your business, you can have something to read. The toilet paper holder that I had before can take just 4 toilet rolls at the time, but now I have space for 8. I can put 4 here and 4 on the other side. Now these are all other items that are really necessary for the toilet area. This is going to be hidden somewhere at the back because all I need is just a scent, and I'm going to put a small cute plant right there. I'll be covering up the wall that's on top of the toilet seat, and I'll be using leftover foam boards and putting them together till I get the measurement for the wall that's on top of the toilet seat. I spray painted it silver, and it doesn't look good because this is a foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. It doesn't matter because the board is going to be covered with the self-adhesive mirrors. And the link for these self-adhesive mirrors will be in the description box below. The ones that are extended out will be cut. This mark here is the provision for the socket that I have on my wall. I attached the board to the wall with command strips, and I ran out of the mirror adhesive papers. So to cover that up, I'm going to be using mirror reflective papers that I have that are leftovers and trace out the shape of what I used before on it. I'll cut it and then place it on a poster board and then fill out the open spaces. The difference from the actual ones is not so much, so I'm just going to leave that there. I went ahead and I removed all the protective films on all of the mirrors. When I was done, this is what my toilet area now looks like. Like I said before, the boxes that I put at the bottom, I may change them only because it's directly on the floor and I don't think that's good for a bathroom since they're just normal cardboard boxes and I did not put any protective layer to protect them from water. So I may replace that with either plastic or wooden crates. Now the toilet area that was all plain and boring now has a little bit of character. I added lights to the flowers to make it look pretty even when the light in the bathroom is not on. I'm really happy with the way this turned out because it's hard to believe that this is what it used to be before and that now this is what it is. I really love this and it reflects just who I am. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and families as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Now I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.